Hey everyone, it's JNTech and welcome back to another episode. Today I will be unboxing the RAVPower 15000mah USB-C PD power bank. I already opened this, but I'm going to do it again for the video. So around the box, you'll see the model name and then the colors. It only comes in black. Yeah, it's a pretty simple box, so let's get to opening this. So let's open this later. Alright, so inside the box it comes with a warranty card, and also comes with documentation. In here you also get a USB-C to USB-C cable. So yeah, here's a USB-C to USB-C cable onto the power bank. Here's the power bank itself. It's made out of plastic. So this is an 18-watt power bank. It outputs 18 watt and can charge at also 18 watts. It has a OLED screen, or not an OLED, just an LED screen. So you can view your battery percentage precisely. Here are the specs. It has one USB-C for power delivery and then one USB-A. It's great for charging your iPhone 12. It's a pretty fast charger. It can charge your iPhone up to 50% in 30 minutes. I believe it can charge it to 100% at around 3 times. And yeah, that's pretty amazing. So I'm going to show you a demo of this using my AirPods Pro, because I'm using my iPhone to record. So I'm going to take in the USB-C, unplug it in, and I'm going to plug the other end into my AirPods Pro. So yeah, when I plug this in, you can see that the light turns orange, which means it's charging. And nothing shows up on here, but when you charge the power bank, there's a small icon that shows that the power bank's charging and receiving power. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a basic power bank, very portable. It's great for the iPhones. To charge this power bank, you plug this into here, then you plug the other end into a USB-C adapter. So you'll notice that it doesn't come with a USB-C power adapter. You'll have to contact the seller and they'll send you one for free. I believe it's a 45-watt USB-C power adapter, but I'm not sure. It's pretty lightweight, but you can feel the heftiness of the batteries. It's a decent size, it's very portable, and yeah, RAVPower, here it is again, there's a screen. It's a pretty cool minimal power bank. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like the video, comment, and share for more videos. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.